All right, I'm going to end the day here on a real positive note. What a comeback for the end of the day. One of the best comebacks we've seen in a while here. The stock market going up, NASDAQ up about, let's see, three and a quarter right now, 3.25%. You could see the last 2 hours have just absolutely exploded. Um, Seeing that there was going to be a deal in Iran, and that's why we've been buying the bottom for the last 2 days. A little bit risky, but I love when this pays off. Nvidia, Apple, DRAM, all the space stocks, ASTS, NASA, all of those going up right now. So just glad that worked out. It was kind of risky to go into all of those at once the last few days, but it is paying off. I didn't see the market going down any more than this. I mean, we were pretty much at a really low fear level. I mean, a high fear level. So I did sell DRAM. I have NASA and ASTS calls. One of them's at 60%, one of them's at 40%. I want to keep these into tomorrow because ASTS right now is breaking, and if SpaceX really pops tomorrow, ASTS is also going to pop. So it's kind of just by proxy um, playing ASTS. So just to show you how much you could possibly make, let's say ASTS goes up another 12% tomorrow. I have these 130s. So it would be something like if it goes up 12% tomorrow, I'd make 147% or 150%, and I would make like 243 in profit. I think that's worth it. It's already up so much. I might as well keep it. The NASA calls I have is probably pretty similar. That's all of them together, all the space stocks plus 10% of SpaceX. So that going up 12% or 10% tomorrow would also be about another $150 in profit. So for only putting down 150, so it's 100% gain. So this is what we were playing this morning. But if you looked at Trader Daddy Pro, is pretty easy. All of the unusual activity coming out. I gotta log into this one. It was all, pretty straightforward on the bottom here. If you look at calls, opening, and then, yeah, look at all this. QQQ, Intel, Microsoft, First Solar, XLY, MU. Let's see the biggest ones right now. A-Lab got a huge one. AVAV, a drone stock, healthcare industry, XLV. Let's see the biggest ones right now. MU just got an $11 million out of the money call. That's insane. QQQ got 10 million for tomorrow. Google got 6.7 million. Robinhood got 2.7 million. I remember ASTS was on this over here too, so you could take a look. ASTS in the morning had over 12 million worth of bullish calls. So there you go. Um, what to buy? I mean, I would just be buying like, I mean, with 9 minutes left. It depends if you're buying options or stock, because that'd be kind of different. I mean, obviously you want to buy the bottom, right? Like, for all of these things. So that's why I'm buying you know, a possible ASTS call for tomorrow. So if it pops, that'd be 100%. Um, but just wanted to jump on and just check everything again. Nvidia is at a really low level. You could just go discount hunting at this point. Anything you buy is pretty much going to go up. Whatever your favorite stock is, now is a great time to buy it. Nvidia at 204 is a steal. So is Apple at I think what is it, 294, 295? So Apple's probably going to swing back up again over here. That's going to be an easy one. Any of these would really work for stock. I don't know, just pick your favorite stock, whatever that is. I mean, whatever, all of them are discounted. I mean, you'd make so much more with the options right now, like hundreds of percent more, because this is the time to do it. So, but if you're looking for a long-term investment, is what you're saying, I guess Google. Yeah. I mean, also Oscar broke out of this huge resistance area. See Oscar breaking out right here? This was 2 years for Oscar, and it completely broke out. And then it's going to probably go to 37 from 29 because that's where the original IPO price was. It, opened here. So we'll probably see Oscar continue to go higher here as well. All the banking stocks too. The Bank of America calls I have are doing really well. That broke the triangle going up. Caught this one. So there's a lot of them. I mean, there's so many. Now is that time to really, I mean, Tesla came all the way back today. That's unbelievable. It broke structure, it was going down, it came all the way back. I don't know if I'd buy Tesla, but everything in my watch list is green right now. Oh, mostly everything. The space stocks are really coming back hard right now. We got about 6 more minutes until the market closes. Um, I'm just deciding if I want to take anything else out right here. I think I'm gonna just keep everything in for right now. I mean, it's a risk with SpaceX tomorrow. Actually, what's a really good deal right now is silver or SLV. It's in the 60s right now. It bounced off this weekly 50 moving average. Silver looks great. You could do SLV calls and make just to show you how crazy this could end up being because it's down 50% silver from the top. So let's say you do an SLV call and you do it for September. Could do, let's say, something like a 65 call is $472. If silver goes up 15% within the next 2 months or 10%, you would make $352. So basically, it getting to 67, it's at 60 right now. So that's a pretty good deal. If it gets into the 70s, like 75, you would make 730 or 750 in profit. So that would work. Redwire is coming back too, right here. We came down, filled the gap. Now we're coming back up again for Redwire. They all look the same right now. All of these look the same. You know, they're all breaking out back up again. So Iron is up 11%, Micron's up 12%, back to 1,000. That was fast. But no, it was really easy. I mean, Trader Daddy Pro literally, you could see all of them coming in at once. All of them. Like it was like at 2 o'clock, all these bullish calls all at once. So it was really, really easy. Let me see what's happening right now, time wise. QQQ, another. Wait, sorry. Let me just refresh this so I get. All right, we have up and down. I think people are betting both sides right now. Let me just see all the breakouts. There's a ton of breakouts. Flow analysis, heat map. Wow. I would say Gold and Microsoft are going to be good long-term options here. ASTS is big. AAOI, Rocket Lab, ADP. And AMD really came back up too. This is going to keep going. You know a good one to buy right now is Nokia. Nokia is at 14. This is going to keep going. They also are like Iron. They started to become a, somewhat of a AI infrastructure stock instead of just whatever they were doing beforehand. Also, Robinhood is breaking out here. So, you know, Robinhood is in full breakout out of this triangle. So, this could just keep continuing for a while. It's been a little bit for it to break out, but we're finally, this was my original drawing, so we're pretty close to what actually happened. Wow. Everything really broke out. It's kind of wild. We're going to finish the day up almost 3.5% on the NASDAQ. What a turnaround. It just shows you every time we dip, we come right back up. It's so easy to buy these dips. People get so scared. And then once you see all of the bullish flows come back in again, it's like every single time it goes right back up, right back up again. But um, DraftKings is also going up. This is a second stage candle with buying pressure. This got to the 200 moving average. For the World Cup, DraftKings absolutely took off, broke the structure right here. Boom, up. HIMS is up again. Rackspace is another. This is Raytheon. All the military stocks are starting to come back now. Raytheon is now breaking. Wow, Raytheon is up almost 4% right now. But I think silver is probably the best thing to do right now. It's the easiest play. Citigroup at all-time highs right now. Wow, up 3.5%. Bitcoin coming up off of support at the bottom right now. So almost everything rebounded. I don't see anything that's down at the moment. Oh my goodness. What a turnaround. Not only did the Knicks come back, but the whole market came back too. I've never seen something come back so fast. I mean, Liberation Day last year was cool. Apple calls were going up like 100% every like 30 minutes. But Apple looks good too. I'm going to keep this. I'm going to keep everything into tomorrow. That's the end of the market. There's the bell. I need a little bell like sound or something. Bell sound. I'll try to get that next time. Yeah, I know. I can't believe the Knicks won like that. It was crazy. But yeah, it was a great day trading with you guys. The people in my premium group, we really worked together from this morning. The only thing I regret was I said I was gonna put in a call for QQQ and a put for QQQ as a straddle. So whichever way it went, I would have won. I put in the put for it, and then as soon as it started going down, I cut it real quick. And then the call side, I never actually put in, but I started to do space stocks instead. But if I had just put in one QQQ call, that would have gone up like 400% today. So it's all right. I can't be perfect, but I think the group pretty much called the bottom the last 2 days. We were still buying as things were dropping. It's hard to get to call a bottom perfectly, but I think we got it. I think we were pretty close. So it's worth the patience and everything. Also, BlackBerry looks great right here. Look at this. You know, we really are going to be coming up for BlackBerry, Nokia. Wow, what a day. What a day. Hopefully you guys also were able to participate. But if I had to rank everything right now, I would say silver's number one. That is definitely going to come back. Number two, I'm going to leave space out of it right now. I'm just going to concentrate on, smaller stocks. Nokia. Number three, BlackBerry. Number four, I'm going to say Nvidia because that always ends up swinging back up. Number five, I'm going to say APLD already swung back up again, but APLD is the easiest stock to play in the world. Anytime it goes down, just buy it. I swear, it's like the easiest thing ever to actually, Robinhood looks really good here. It's like actually breaking out. I almost want to put that on my list, but I feel like there's one more that I'm missing here that's like super easy. I don't know. Maybe Marvel or something. Let me check Marvel. Yeah, Marvel. I'm gonna do Marvel. For number five. This is gonna go up too. This is gonna break. This is a whole stage two formation right here. We're gonna then go up higher probably. So those are the five that I probably would go with right now. I mean, the market closed, but I do this all day long for my group, just constantly going through lists over and over and over again all day. Um, where did my other list go? Over here. What was it again? It was silver. Then it was Nokia. Number three is BlackBerry. Number four is Nvidia. And I'll say number five is Marvel for right now. Those are the easiest ones, probably. But yeah, I think that's it was a very cool day trading everything. It was a lot of emotions. I try not to have a lot of emotions in my trading. I was so close to doing a video yesterday saying like top three stocks to buy during the dip, but I thought people pretty much understood like this was the dip, like buy the dip, because we've seen this like a million times at this point. So I thought that was pretty much implied, but I don't know. Everything else is looking pretty good too. I'm looking for something even better than these five right now, but I think that's about it. I think SoFi came back. Oh my goodness, 5% today, 5.5% today. No, 5% today. Um, Oscar also is in a big breakout. This can get to 36 real quick too. Archer is at a really good level at 529. Look how low it is right now for Archer. This could easily get back up to $7. It's at 520 right now. Joby is also at a really good level down here at 936. We could see Joby also getting back up to about $12 from that $9 mark. NBIS is also at a great level too. There's so many. I mean, you could really just pick anything at this point. This is a bullish wedge that's about to be broken again, continuing to go higher. This is about to break again, you know. So something like here, 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 like that. So SMCI go. Oh yeah, APLD. I like iron. Had a great day. They should be going higher. APLD and iron are pretty similar companies. SMCI. I don't play SMCI anymore, but it does look like it wants to come back up. All the airlines went up today. Oh my goodness. I thought these were all going to just tank today because of oil. And when that deal happened, United Airlines went up 10% today. American Airlines up almost 10%. Rocket Lab up 10%. AEHR up 10%. Intel almost up 10%. Wow. Micron almost up 12%. ASTS almost up 12%. Fluence up 12%. ARM is another one. Look at ARM bouncing off this 20 moving average right here. Oh my God. Tonight's Zoom is going to be so much fun going through all of these just to find like the absolute best ones. I mean, SpaceX is going to be tomorrow. So tonight we're going to have to go over some strategy. But yeah, I appreciate you guys jumping on. And if you want any more, yeah, adding those APLD shares is a good idea. But if you guys want any more information about anything, let me know. The Trader Daddy Pro website, actually, we still have, I have a special $5 month to try it for $5 for 1 month. And so if you want that, you can contact me. This also comes with a Discord that has every type of alert you could ever want in modern finance. And we also talk in there too. My premium group is more about the education. So if you want to like become a better trader and you want like a whole group to rely on and you want one-on-one support and you want to learn to trade options, that's what the premium group would then be for. Um, so yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions about anything. You guys know I always get back to you very quickly, and I will see you guys later. Take care. Bye bye.